Hello everyone, welcome to the Learn with Ravi Learn Microsoft Opera YouTube channel. So during the last lesson, we learned how to put a reservation into queue, and today lesson we are going to check how to we are going to learn how to check the reservation in queue. So this is very important lesson for the front office team as well as for the housekeeping team especially. So for that, first we need to log in to the Opera by using your username and password as usual and select the PMS. Once you log into the PMS, you will have this main screen of the PMS, and you have to select the front desk tab, and after that you have to select queue reservations. So once you click on the queue reservation, you will have this tab open, the screen open, actually the queue reservations. So in here you will see all the reservations in queue. So if you cannot see any detail over here, you can just simply press search, so it will show you the queue reservation. And also if you want to filter any reservation by name, room type, you have all the options over here: name, the last name of the guest, first name of the guest, and the room type. You can type, or you can just click on here and select the room type by drop down list, or the room number you can filter from here. Block code is related for the group reservations. So if you have a block code, you can type over here and search. Simply you can search it. So you will see all the queue reservations over here. So it's with the numbers, and queue time in here. Queue time means like starting from the time that front office put this reservation into queue, and right now the difference between the time right now and the time that reservation was put into the queue. So it will show over here. So you will know how long this reservation in queue to be clean, and you will have the arrival time of the guest over here, and the allocated room number, and the allocated room type, and front office status. So as you can see in here, you don't have any status, but because I remove those status from here. So if you take this reservation, the last reservation as example, VAC mean the reservation or the room is vacant. Room is vacant. The 118 room number is vacant right now, and the room status for the front office is showing as a dirty. So the room is not yet clean. So for the housekeeping team, they can see all the information over here, and also they have a report that they can take. So they can, once they see this information over here, they can work on that and change the room status and remove it from the queue. So apart from that, you have a few more options over here. You can see and you can do the check-in directly from here, but we don't recommend to do that. And you can see the priority, which room is prioritized, like which room is going to arrive earlier and which one is going to arrive late. You can prioritize. And if you want to open the reservation, you can open from here. And also you will have the statistic of the room. And also if you want to generate this screen as a report, you can simply generate it as a report over here. You can click and generate it, preview. So this is the way you can see the queue reservations in Opera. So if you find this reservation, this video is important and useful for you, please like on the video. And also if you like to see more videos like this and learn more, please subscribe the channel, and we will meet you with another interesting video in the future and useful lesson. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can learn from here as well. And thank you very much for watching this video, and see you again with interesting video again. Thank you.